Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am thrilled to share with you the ultimate guide to achieving acne-free, clear skin in just 1 week. I used to struggle with acne, and I know how frustrating it can be. But over time, I've discovered some incredible dermatologist-approved methods that have truly transformed my skin and my confidence. In this video, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about treating acne effectively and achieving clear, radiant skin fast. By the end of this, you'll have all the tools to say goodbye to acne and hello to glowing, healthy skin. 1. What is acne? Acne is a skin condition caused by the overproduction of oil, which combines with dead skin cells and bacteria to clog pores. Example: understanding the biology of acne helps in choosing the right treatment. When excess oil and dead skin cells mix, they can clog pores, leading to inflammation and the formation of pimples. 2. Types of acne. Different types: whiteheads, blackheads, papules, pustules, cysts. Example: whiteheads are small, closed comedones that form under the skin, while blackheads are open comedones that oxidize and appear black on the surface. 3. Factors contributing to acne. Genetic predisposition, hormonal changes, and environmental factors. Example: hormonal changes during puberty or menstruation can trigger acne by increasing oil production. Genetics also play a role, as some people are more prone to acne due to family history. 4. Impact of diet and lifestyle. How diet, stress, and skincare habits affect acne. Skincare routine for acne management and clear skin. 1. Cleansing importance and method. Cleansing is the foundation of any skincare routine, especially for acne-prone skin. It removes dirt, oil, makeup, and impurities that can clog pores and contribute to breakouts. Use a gentle, pH-balanced cleanser suitable for your skin type dry, oily combination. Avoid harsh cleansers that strip the skin of its natural oils, as this can trigger increased oil production. 2. Exfoliation types and benefits. Chemical exfoliants are often preferred for acne-prone skin due to their ability to penetrate deeper into pores. Example: incorporate a salicylic acid exfoliant into your routine 23 times a week. This will help unclog pores and reduce the formation of new acne lesions. 3. Treatment products. Acne treatments target the root causes of acne, such as excess oil production, bacteria, and inflammation. Effective ingredients include benzoyl peroxide, retinoids, and topical antibiotics. Example: apply a thin layer of benzoyl peroxide gel to acne-prone areas after cleansing. Benzoyl peroxide kills acne-causing bacteria and helps prevent new breakouts. 4. Moisturization importance and selection. Moisturizing is essential even for oily and acne-prone skin. It helps maintain the skin barrier and prevents excessive dryness, which can trigger increased oil production. Choose oil-free, non-comedogenic moisturizers labeled as suitable for acne-prone skin. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid or glycerin, which hydrate without clogging pores. After applying acne treatment products, follow up with a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer. This will keep your skin hydrated and balanced throughout the day. 5. Sun protection preventing acne scars. Sunscreen protects the skin from harmful UV rays that can worsen acne and cause post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation acne scars. Use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher every morning, even on cloudy days. Reapply every 2 hours if exposed to direct sunlight. Example: choose a sunscreen formulated for acne-prone skin, labeled as non-comedogenic and oil-free. This will provide protection without clogging pores or causing breakouts. Here are 5 main points for a diet routine aimed at achieving acne-free skin within a week. 1. Hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated and flush out toxins. Example: staying hydrated supports skin hydration and helps flush out toxins, promoting clearer skin. 2. Fresh fruits and vegetables. Include a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables rich in vitamins and antioxidants to support skin health. 3. Lean protein sources. Choose lean proteins like chicken, fish, tofu, or legumes to aid in skin repair and renewal. 4. Limit sugars and processed foods. Avoid sugary snacks, sodas, and processed foods as they can contribute to inflammation and worsen acne. Following these points consistently can help improve your skin's condition within a short time frame. Sleep. How sleep affects skin regeneration and acne. Example: getting enough quality sleep allows for skin repair and regeneration, helping to reduce inflammation and prevent breakouts. Weekly skincare routine. 1. Masks and treatments. Benefits of clay masks, sulfur masks, and other treatments. Example: clay masks absorb excess oil and impurities from the skin's surface, helping to minimize pores and prevent breakouts. Sulfur masks have antibacterial properties that can reduce acne-causing bacteria and inflammation. 2. Professional advice. Importance of consulting a dermatologist for personalized skincare recommendations. Example: a dermatologist can assess your skin type and severity of acne to recommend prescription treatments such as oral medications, topical antibiotics, or professional procedures like chemical peels or laser therapy. Conclusion: achieving acne-free clear skin requires a holistic approach that includes proper skincare, healthy lifestyle habits, and professional guidance. By following these tips consistently, you can effectively manage acne and achieve the clear, healthy skin you deserve. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips and updates. Let me know in the comments what challenges you face with your skin. I am here to help.